Watch IT programs feature leading experts who provide comprehensive understanding and perspectives on technology trends, issues, and their business value. Knowledge, advice, best practices. You get all this and more from Watch IT. This program is part of Technical Briefings, in-depth information on new technologies, techniques, and solution providers.
Through virtualization, organizations can significantly reduce costs, simplify operations, and improve the availability of vital IT resources. Virtualization technologies are rapidly growing in acceptance and are being implemented by an increasing number of organizations. The popularity of virtualization technologies has paved the way for the rise of the virtual appliance, or VAP. Virtual appliances offer IT a means to dramatically streamline and simplify the development, delivery, and management of applications for systems and networks. In this program, we will introduce you to virtual appliances, discuss their advantages, risk factors, and potential impact on IT. Hello, I'm Michael Quinlan, and welcome to this Watch IT Technical Briefing program, Virtual Appliances, an Introduction. This program features expert Nelson Ruest, a senior enterprise IT architect with more than 25 years of experience in systems administration, migration planning, software management, and architecture design. He, along with co-author Danielle Ruest, are the authors of many popular technology books, including Virtualization, A Beginner's Guide, published by McGraw-Hill. There are several teaching points in this program. First, our expert will present an overview of the virtual appliance and discuss its potential impact on IT. Next, we'll explore some of the technical details and learn about the benefits as well as the risks associated with virtual appliances. And then, we'll discuss how to assess if virtual appliances are a good solution for your organization and the best way to get started utilizing them. We'll then learn about the vendor community and how they're supporting the virtual appliance model. Finally, we'll conclude with added thoughts and advice from our expert and consider what the future may hold for virtual appliances. If you are viewing this program via the internet or on CD, you will have access to the program transcript, a glossary of terms, key documents, links to related websites, recommended books, and articles. In our first segment, we'll present an overview of the virtual appliance and discuss its impact on IT. The promise of the virtualized infrastructure has taken the IT world by storm. And waiting in the wings is its equally talented first cousin, the virtual appliance. Experts tell us that as virtualization technologies and solutions become more and more dominant across enterprise IT, the virtual appliance may soon become the de facto method for rolling out software to systems and networks. The virtual appliance can eliminate much of the hassle associated with installing, configuring, and administering large-size software stacks. To learn more, let's turn to our expert, Nelson Ruest. Nelson, thank you for joining us today. Now, could you please tell us about virtual appliances and explain how they'll have a fundamental impact on IT?
There are a lot of different virtualization technologies, but one of the ones that give the best return on investment is server virtualization. This is where you take a physical machine and you partition the resources of that physical machine to run multiple operating systems, encapsulated operating systems, with workloads or applications installed on each one of those operating systems. A virtual appliance, or a VAP, is the encapsulation of an operating system and a particular workload. When virtualization technologies were first introduced by a company called VMware many years ago, they used to sell virtual machines along with their virtualization technology. For example, you could buy a virtualization technology called VMware Workstation, and along with VMware Workstation, you could buy a pre-made copy of a virtual machine running Windows, for example. And that was really the rise of the concept of a virtual appliance. VMware doesn't do that anymore. They don't sell pre-encapsulated copies of Windows anymore. But the idea of having a pre-built machine, virtual machine, that contained an operating system and a workload quickly caught on as a way that people could market complex applications.